So earlier today, I was actually craving for something sweet. So sabi ko, I want a cake. But then when we went out, unfortunately, we were not able to reach the bake shop open. So we were not able to buy a cake, and that's the sad thing. But good thing is, we went to the grocery and I just decided to bake my own version of red berry cheesecake, or strawberry cheesecake, or blueberry cheesecake. So later on, I'll decide to whatever type of cheesecake that I'm going to serve you. But for today's video, what I'd like to share to you is how do I do my own cheesecake. So basically, if I'm not yet decided to put some berries on top of it or whatever on top of it, siguro I can call that as New York cheesecake for the meantime. And so my own version of the New York cheesecake. So I'd like you to please enjoy this video. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my video. And don't forget to click on the notification button for you to get notified for new videos that I'm going to post. Okay, so watch this video and I hope you will enjoy. So these are our ingredients and it will be posted at the end of the video. So just few melted butter. So the first step is we have to melt the butter because the melted butter will be used to spread in our container. The reason why we're doing this is para hindi dumikit yung ating base ng cheesecake and also the cheesecake when making. So when we remove it, it's even. Para hindi siya dumikit doon sa ating container. So we have to do it evenly. There we go. So it's easy to melt the butter. You just have to put it in the oven, microwave, for 10 minutes. Then we prepare the base. So we use the gray ham. This is the brown gray ham. So we mix yung natirang melted butter. So you just have to make sure that enough yung melted butter din yun when you mix it to our gray ham. Then we mix. So we have to make sure that we evenly mix the gray ham and the butter, melted butter. Now it's firm already. So once we know that it's firm, we now put it in our container. So we have to do it evenly. Okay, dapat pantay. At saka dapat siksik at saka liglig. Para at least walang mga spaces. So there. So we have to make it even. Okay. Then we make sure that it's even by flattening. So we flatten, and after that we put it in the freezer to make sure that it's more firm. Then we prepare the cheesecake. So first thing, you have to put the cream cheese in our baking bowl. Please don't mind the pop. Okay, so there. We made use of 3 cream cheese for this cheesecake, and then we mix it. We make use of they're using the mixer, I should say. Then we add some sugar. That is 1 cup of sugar. And then we mix. So please make sure that it's evenly mixed. Then we'll add the egg. There we go. Then we mix. We made use of 3 eggs for this one. And the sour cream. Okay. So we empty everything para hindi sayang. So this is good for one cake only. So don't forget 3 cream cheese and then 3 eggs for one cheesecake. So we have to mix everything. We make sure that it's even. And then the baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Para medyo umasa. Then 2 tablespoon of our vanilla. It's vanilla syrup. And then we make sure to add taste to our cheesecake. And then a pinch of salt. But if you would like to add lemon, you can also add lemon. And then we mix everything. And then once done, we put the cheesecake on the container. Okay. And we'll bake this one for 20 minutes under 360 degrees temperature. There you go. So we'll make sure that it's even, okay? And there you go. Once done baking the cake, here we go. It's hot, so we have to leave it for a day. Not a day, but for 5 hours, and then we put it in the freezer. Then we decided to make use of the red berries, so we put it on top of the cake. So that's even. So make sure that it's even. Okay, so that you'll see the very nice design of the cake. Then, there you go. This is our red berry cheesecake. This is our finished product. This is our red berry cheesecake. And finally, we're done. So thank you for joining me for today's video, and I hope you were able to learn something from me again. I hope you didn't forget to take down the important process, the ingredients, so that the next time, of course, if you are craving for a cheesecake or anything sweet, you can actually do this one at home and during your special occasions as well. So that's it for me today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And on my next video, we'll be awarding or we will be selecting 10 lucky subscribers, of course, who will comment down below, because we've reached the 115 mark already, and I'm happy for that. Okay, so that's for 3 days. So I'll see you again